have this dinosaur bun I decorated. I have another bun. Another bun. I have
this cake is very soft.
Now after that I have this dinosaur bun. It's really difficult.
Also this. This is like the we produce like Forever Friends or
It's
whatever
not
it
really
is
pro.
called.
It's fake. It's replica. After that I have a few emoticon buns that I have.
You can see that. It's very good glare, but it's very hard.
Okay, next I have this 4 emoticon buns. This is the first one. Is the stickiest and the most rising one. Next I got this new packaging. It's a treat squishy package from someone. From Celine.
No, you did not get that.
I got
This
this.
is not extra.
It is an extra.
No, it's not. Okay, next I have this stress balls. This one, and this one, and this one. And then next I also have this macaron like set. Like he's leaving. This set, and I put on my like macarons inside. I have this like pink one, this brown one, sorry about the glare, and this pink one, and I also have this blue one, super squishy. Oh, here's the pink one.
Okay, so here's the icon here. And then when you press,
I'm not supposed to show them that.
and then you go here.
It's easy
This
buy.
page. Yeah, this easy buy. Then you press all this. If you press mine, right now I'm using my. See, I thought it. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the squishies that we just paid. Okay, first one is we got 2 bananas, 1 chocolate, 1 strawberry here. We got 1 strawberry,
No, 2 strawberries. Oh yeah, you're not getting the strawberry.
and then we got 2
buns.
2 steam buns
And
by
pink color.
Kibru. And then we have 1 Rilakkuma toast, here,
1 Hello Kitty toast.
1 Hello Kitty bread, 1
One-
Kibru pineapple,
2
two Kibru
ice cream.
jumbo ice cream,
1
one
green
replica,
apple,
one replica a greedy apple,
1
one
Kibru like
no, not Kibru. It's
Eric.
Yeah, it's the NYX Eric. And then we got 2 Eric carrots,
1
One-
orange,
1
is
orange croissant,
1
1
corn,
steamed corn, this week, and then we got 3
3 Hello Kitty
3
donuts.
Hello Kitty donuts. I see. We got 2 times 2 of 100 pieces of grab bag, so 100 each. 1 watermelon, 1
Authentic peach.
authentic
Lele.
peach. We got 1
Millie the Whale, like
replica.
replica version.
and then we have a set of 8 panda faces for 307 only, so cheap. These 8 sets. 307 for 8 pieces.
I
Different
want one.
Too big. I see. Okay, next we have yeah, so those are the last 2 items, which is the last 2 item is this
Banana, 2 bananas,
and this
and
1 banana.
Oh, 1 banana
And one
and one
greedy
mango.
watermelon. I mean mango,
Mango.
sorry.
The mango's mine and the banana's mine.
So yeah,
He bought a wig, but he did not really buy a wig. He just bought like this mannequin head, and on top of the mannequin head, what the heck are you doing? Look at his face. Look at his face. Okay, and then on top of the mannequin head, it really has like hair on it. It's like 80% of hair. And he's also buying a 3-in-1 serum. I mean like hair color.
Okay, bye.
I'm not done.
JK. So subscribe down below.
Give a thumbs up.
Yeah, and tell us in the description below what's your favorite
video? No, what video that you want us to do, like for next week?
And what is your favorite part of this video? So hope that you enjoy. Subscribe,
and what kind
comment.
of squishies you like?
Yeah, subscribe, comment down below, and thumbs up for that if you like this video. And yeah, bye.